So, this is, I think so, part 5. No, part 6.
It's really part 6.
No, it's part 5, guys. What you think? Subscribe, it's part 5, or like it part 6.
I'm lucky. I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Yeah. Ooh, so poopy.
What's that noise? Good one.
Hey. There's poop in my hand. Well, I have sipon.
Sarap.
Mmm.
Tastes like so good.
Do you want this? We'll get in your potty. We'll get in your potty.
The video's almost done. And
Poopy time. Mmm. That's wrong. Why are you fast of eating?
it's almost done.
Because you're fat. Fatty!
Damas.
I'm doing this. Poop in my hand. Hey, that one is so many poopy. Yummy. I'm making this as salamin.
Oh, final one.
Really, bro, it's gonna end.
Yeah, it's gonna end quickly. Well, it's just a day. Are you serious? In my next video, I'm not gonna put you in.
I'm gonna put me in.
I'm angry.